Hey guys, we're here with an unboxing video. I know I haven't posted in a long time and I'm sorry for that. My name is Caden and today we're going to be unboxing these two Pokemon cards. No, it's Pokemon. Well, this. Unified Minds, we got this case. And, let's see. Whichever one this is. And my two Megatron. And then we got this Atari flashback that I will also unbox and play in a different video. Yeah, okay. So first we're gonna open up this one. So let me just open this up. Turn this fan off. Yeah, that can we? Okay. Yeah. Sorry for the thing. I'm just using my phone to record because I don't have anything that I could easily afford to go. Shit like this. Mimikyu. Yeah, I got this Mimikyu token, because I'm all out of tokens, or whatever, coin, whatever it's called. We're just going to be opening up Pokemon Sun Moon Team Up. Yeah, okay, let's see. Alright, let's go. So the first one we have is Mankey. Okay. Then we have Pancham, Pharaoh Seed, Pidgeotto. Ooh, a Charmander. Electrocharger. Pangoro. Energy. Morgan. Flaffy. And Jinx. Okay, next we're going to be opening up this. Yeah, Unified Minds. This nice case with Mewtwo and Mew on the front. And, I forgot their names. Yeah. Let's open this up. Okay. Starting off with a Pikachu, Lickitung, Purloin, ooh, a Magmar, a Tynamo, a Fomantis, a Medicham, Energy, ooh, a Fracture, and an Elegium, and a I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. Next to my two Megatrons is the Atari. Let me just open that up. How do I open this? Side. This thing has 110 built-in games, but I'm probably only going to be playing Space Invaders. So yeah, I got this for $20. There it is, $20. Lucky me. Let's get this open somehow. I don't want to rip it or anything like that, so it's like really hard to open. Really hard to open. There, I got it. Okay. Oof, got it.